this video, we will show you how to create Google Ads account. Google Ads is an online advertising platform developed by Google, where advertisers pay to display brief advertisements, service offering, product listing, video content, and generate mobile application installs within the Google Ad network to web users. Sign up and creating an account with this system is free and easy, taking only a couple of minutes. You can find all the links in the description. The first thing you need is a Gmail account. If you don't have one, you need to create it. After you're done with creating Gmail account, visit Google Ads page. Once you're there, click the green Start Now button. Choose the email you want to sign up with. Now it's time to choose one of the options. It's up to you which one is the best for your future campaign. We will pick sales, for example. After you choose one of the options, second window will appear. Again, it's up to you which one would you like. We will pick search campaign type. The next window that will appear is asking you what's your goal. We will pick website visits. After that, click on the continue button. Once you confirm your business information, like time zone, country and currency, you'll find yourself in your own Google Ads account. From here you will create advertising campaigns for your services and products. Before that, however, you need to set up basic settings to make this ads campaign work. You can find them at the top in the Tools section. This is how fast we've been able to create and set up a Google Ads account. You're just a step from creating your first advertising campaign for your services and products. However, for better efficiency, you must first create an account in Google Analytics. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe or watch the next video.